Creating a Pong game in Scratch. Objective. The goal of this tutorial is to guide viewers through building a basic Pong game in Scratch. By the end, they will learn how to set up sprites, program movements, manage scoring, and create a fun, interactive game. This project is perfect for beginners interested in learning Scratch and understanding foundational game development concepts. First, go to https://scratch.mit.edu and open Scratch. Log in or create an account. If you don't have one, click on Create to start a new project. In step 1, open Scratch and create a new project. Then for Ball Sprite, go to the Choose a Sprite button, select or create a simple ball sprite, and name it Ball. Now we are setting up the backdrop. Here I am selecting a simple background. You can also choose any other background of your choice. First we will programming the ball sprite. Here initializing ball position and direction. For this set the ball's starting position at the center and pick a random direction when the game begins like -45 to 45 and also set its speed to 15. For moving the ball continuously, create a loop to move the ball and at bouncing when it touches the screen edges. Then add code for the ball to bounce off when it touches the paddles. The coding. Now let's play a Pong game.